How to sell on Alibaba. Hi everyone, welcome back to our channel. In today's video I will guide you through the steps on how you can start selling on Alibaba, so make sure to watch the video till the end. If you want to start selling on Alibaba, all you have to do is simply go in and first of all open the Alibaba app here. Currently I am a buyer, but what if I want to sell my products? Well, to do that, first of all just tap the My Alibaba option from the bottom right corner of the screen. Then you just want to scroll and then just search for this option called Start Selling on Alibaba.com now. So you want to make sure to just tap this option that says Start Selling on Alibaba.com now. As and when you do so, you're going to see a little pop-up on the next page. So thanks for reaching out, I'm Angel. Now here you can just select how to sell on Alibaba.com. This is basically a specific person that is going to help you understand how you can begin selling. Now you have to simply fill out this form, which means that you have to first of all make sure to enter your name here as well as the last name. Once you enter the first name and the last name, make sure to also enter the email address that you might want to use in this case. Once you also make sure to enter the email address here, what you want to do is just make sure to enter the country, the phone number, the company name of your company, and then tap on get connected. A live agent is going to get in touch with you and give you further instructions on how you can start selling on Alibaba. So this way you can sell your products on Alibaba. It is very simple. Hope this video was helpful, and if it did help you, then make sure to leave a like and subscribe to our channel. If you have got any questions, feel free to leave them down. Thank you for watching and see you in the next video.